Hi all. So I was from Telangana Battalion. Speaking about you. So I was from Telangana and I was a cadet. Okay, I completed my Kalseni camp. So anyone ready for Kalseni camp here? Or who completed? I can see so many red, golden flaps here. That's great. That's great. Good. And RDC camp too. Yeah, I was short, right? So RDC was not cup of my tea. And I could complete TSU with the best results. And OT was my favorite obstacle race. Okay, so and I cultivated. So I wanted to be an officer in the army, but unfortunately I couldn't do that. So as army is protecting the borders of our country, right? So army is a mighty army, strong army, a powerful army which protects all the borders of our country. Then I encountered few incidents where the women and our dear sisters and my friend sisters, they encountered few abusive incidents and few of the women were unnecessarily killed by few people. And I thought that why not to empower the country from inside? Because we don't have self-defense education properly being communicated with all the students and cadets in our country. So I thought of taking this idea as my life goal. So and I started cultivating my team. I was one when I started this. I used to personally go give sessions in the colleges, government colleges, government hostels as well as workplaces. So now and orphanages too. And now I have a huge team. I have generated